So here's a quick video. What would your chickens do without nest boxes? Let's see. Let's go, Lee. Nope. No nest boxes in there. Let's take a closer look. Come on, Lee. Come on, Z. You can pour it anywhere over the ground, but watch your step, because we don't want to step on chickens. So what will your chickens do without nest boxes? Well, they won't nest in the feed pans. Let's get those eggs. Maybe they'll lay an egg there. Or there. Or there. Nice and gently. Or let's go on this side. Nothing there. Nothing there. Or there. There's one here. And there's one there by the waterer. We're getting low on water.
Excuse me. Thanks. Nice to end jump. Thank you.
Say thank you so much, chickens.
Thank you so much, chicken.
Now let us pass and get out here. Come on, Zane. So, what would your chickens do without a nest box? Baby, they'll lay eggs. Thank you for watching Louisiana Gardening Family. Quick episode, quick check us out. And baby, we've got, not pink, we've got
Fiona.
Oh, Fiona, and I'm talking about the eggs. 2, 4, 6, 7 eggs. So now we're up to like 12 eggs a day, 1 dozen. Louisiana Gardening Family, check us out.
See y'all later.